the continuation of the last video, we are discussing the ischium bone, which is a hip part of the hip bone. So if there is no external demarcation of all three bones, but we can consider, because ischium is a quadrilateral plate of the bone, so if we consider it is from here, ये यहाँ तक इलियम का पार्ट अगर कंसिडर करेंगे, so ये वाला पार्ट, ये वाला पार्ट, this part,
It looks like quadrilateral.
Quadrilateral plate. So this is the ischium bone, right? Now let's talk about it. So ischium is roughly quadrilateral plate.
And it is present behind pubis.
This is the pubis and this is the ischium. So ischium is behind and it forms the major part of the pelvic floor. Because यहाँ पर क्या होगा, यूरिनरी ब्लैडर यहाँ पर रेस्ट करेगा, तो ये pelvic cavity का pelvic floor बनाता है. Now there are two surfaces again, the dorsal surface and the ventral surface.
Since it is a quadrilateral, it will have two surfaces, four angles and four borders.
Now let's talk about the surfaces. So this is the dorsal surface. It is also called the pelvic surface. It is, as you can see, it is concave and smooth, and it present the impression for the obturator internus muscle. यहाँ पर obturator internus muscles होती है, and it is close to the very obturator foramen. यहाँ से इसके पास से निकलती है. Now let's talk about the ventral surface. The ventral surface, as you can see, it is slightly rough and convex, and it gives origin to the
Adductor muscle.
Now let's move further to the
Borders.
So there are four borders. This border is the medial border. This border is the lateral border. This is the anterior border, because ये cranial होगा, ये caudal part होगा, तो ये आगे होगा, तो anterior border. And this is the posterior border. Let's talk about the interior border. First, let's talk about the
Anterior border.
So anterior border forms the posterior boundary of the obturator foramen. The posterior border is inclined forward and it forms the ischial arc. It is forming
with the corresponding parts of the other side of the bone. It forms ischial arc.
The lateral border, as you can see, it is concave. The lateral border is concave and it is formed this structure. This is called the This is the lateral border and it forms the lesser ischiatic notch. Right? Now the medial border joins with the opposite border of the other bone and it's from the
pubic
ischial
symphysis.
Ischial symphysis बनाता है ये. Now let's talk about the angles. So देखो इसमें क्या याद करना है, ये anterior है posterior, इधर वाले angle internal, इधर वाले external. तो ये anterior internal angle हो जाएगा. This will be the anterior external angle. This will be the posterior internal and this will be the posterior external angle. Now let's talk about one by one. First we are talking about the
antero-internal angle.
Yes, this is the antero-internal angle. It is narrow and it joins with the posterior angle of the pubis. ये pubis का posterior angle यहाँ पर आता है, ये उसके साथ join करता है. Now we have covered the antero-internal angle. Now let's talk about the
antero-external angle.
It is wide and it joins with the cotyloid angle of the ilium and pubis. ये यहाँ पर ilium का cotyloid angle और pubis का cotyloid angle यहाँ के join करता है.
And it forms the cotyloid cavity.
It forms the here.
This angle participates in the formation of acetabulum or cotyloid cavity.
Right? Now let's move to the posterior internal angle. So very simple. Posterior internal angle joins posterior internal angle क्या करता है, ये join करेगा similar angle of the other bone at the middle of the ischial arc के बीच में. Now let's talk about the posterior external angle. It is very expanded form. It forms the trifid like 1, 2, 3. There are 3 tubercles here. That's why it is called the ischial tuberosity. And it is also called the tuber ischii. And sometimes it is also refers to as the pin bone. It's a very important OT. Which bone is also called the pin bone. That is the ischium bone ka tuber ischii.
And which angle makes it? Posterior external angle forms the pin bone.
So this was all about the ischium bone. In next video we will discuss the